Who was declared the man of the match in the final T20 of Independence Cup? Ahmed Shahzad. The Overseas World 11 players were offered $blank to play in Pakistan Independence Cup. $100,000. Who is the current Defense Minister of Pakistan? Pervez Khattak. Who was awarded the Man of the Series award for 3 successive good scores in Independence Cup 2017? Babar Azam. Who was the captain of World 11 International Squad in Independence Cup, which was played in Lahore, Pakistan? Faf du Plessis. The first ever Independence Cup series was played on _blank in Lahore. 12 to 15 September 2017. According to the Global Travel and Tourism Report 2017 by the World Economic Forum, Pakistan ranked blank _ most unsafe country for tourists. 4th. Which country recently introduces visa on arrival facility to Pakistani travelers? Name the first Pakistani female to climb Spantic Peak. Uzma Yusuf. Pakistan's most corrupt political leaders are: Faf du Plessis, captain of World 11 International Squad, belongs to which country? South Africa. Pakistan becomes first nation to benefit from China's blank. Beidou navigation satellite. Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy wins blank _ award 2017. Knight International Journalism Award.